Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,